I'm cleaning our Samsung fridge. The crisper drawers have particulars that are quite unappetizing stuck in the bottom ledge of the crisper drawers. Am I not able to take the front of the crisper drawer to clean it properly?
Can you guesstimate how old your Samsung is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
It's about 3 years old, give or take. The model is RF220
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
I would be. BTW. It's not the first time I've cleaned the fridge.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
That's it. Love the fridge otherwise. But the new fridges seem to have a lot of parts that don't come apart.
Hello, and welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will be the one to assist you. Sorry to hear that you are having this trouble. I have your manual here on page 23. Will give you picture and step-by-step instructions to removing these drawers. If there is anything else that you may need, please feel free to reach back out to me. I am here to assist you. https://www.ajmadison.com/ajmadison/itemdocs/rf220tos.pdf. Please note that we here at Just Answer are on an honor system. I am only credited for my time in the event you rate with 3 to 5 stars at the top. Rating does not stop you from getting back to me in the event you need me.
Thanks for trying. The question was, how do I take the vegetable and fruit drawers apart? And remove the front part so I can get the bits of onion skins and other debris that's lodged in the bottom front. It's not in the manual. I'm guessing I can't take the drawers apart. So don't worry about it.
Oh, sorry about that. No, they cannot be taken apart. You can, however, submerge them in water like in a bathtub and see if that will help get the debris out. I do hope this information was help. Sorry the manual was not what you were looking for. Have a great evening though.
Thanks. I'll give that a try.
You're very welcome. That is how I clean my unit drawers. Just warm water and soap submerged and it typically cleans it right up.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.